Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This one is an unboxing of a different kind. This is from a brand called Furia, and this is the box that it came in. Isn't it glorious? Look at that. The other side has a different picture on it, but unfortunately it's covered in tape and so I can't pull it off without ruining the box, but it would have been pretty cool to see what was on that one as well. This is going to just... it's coming off, sort of, along with the box itself, but anyway. And there is as much off of the labels as I could get off. You can sort of see this one has Grecian or Roman or medieval. It says Carpe Diem, Furia. So this is actually, and here's their website, furia.com. They do really funky t-shirts, and that's what I bought today, was a t-shirt. So let's see if I can open this up. Hold on one second and I'll open it up. Okay, I've opened it. There we go. Furia there as well. So it's really well marketed. Furia with the Medusa head. What have we got here? We've got it wrapped up in beautiful paper. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. There we go. Look at that. Gracias. I can't read it in that, so there we go. We'll read it in the English because I'm Australian and don't have any other language. For supporting our art, all the illustration art is hand-drawn by us, and each one tells a different story that can stay with you forever. So yeah, that's beautiful, beautiful card. I might frame that. And again, Furia sticker. Lovely paper. I don't want to tear the paper. I don't want to, but I'm going to have to. God dang it. Oh, really? This is being... I am doing this with my left hand, and I am a right-handed person, so, you know, there we go. Let's have a look. There we are. So, this is the t-shirt that I got. Isn't that beautiful? I want to say it's NYX. Yeah, it's NYX. That's a really nice label. So when they're a universal size, like a men's size or a universal unisex size, I usually get a medium because I like it fitted. But I can also get a large. But they didn't have a large in this, so I got a medium. And there's the t-shirt. It feels really nice. Feels really soft. And oh, it's a nice thickness, a nice weight as well. Yeah. And then I also got a print, which was of the t-shirt that I originally wanted, but they'd sold out of everything but the extra small size, and in no way am I an extra small, and nor have I ever been an extra small, as friends of mine can attest to. So let's see if I can open this without ruining the sticker. Probably not. Hold on, let me get it out of the packet because that's not the most exciting of content. Hold on a second. And here is the print. So it's Lucifer. Isn't it gorgeous? Would have loved this on a t-shirt. Whoever did get these t-shirts, you are very, very lucky. But I have it as a print, so I'm going to put it, it's an A4 or whatever size it is, so I'm going to put that in a frame. And then the paperwork is just beautiful. There we go. Images of Grecian gods and goddesses. Poseidon. Selene. Yeah. Medusa. It's a nice Medusa. Artemis. There we go. Let me show you the shirt. Okay, here's the shirt. It is actually quite short. Shorter than I thought it would be. But that's okay. It'll work. It'll work with my pinafore dresses from Run and Fly. But the fabric is beautiful. It is really beautiful, soft cotton. And it's got a nice weight to it. You can't see through it, I don't think. No, you can't see through it. Yeah. There we go. I think it's beautiful. Hand drawn, small independent company. This is where you get your t-shirts from. So, yeah, there we go. Furia, if you're looking for them. And as I said, camiseta, so a short shirt, nicks in black. And there we have it. Yeah, I'm really excited to wear it. And I will, if I do, I'll put it up on Instagram as a shirt that I'm wearing. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys and gals and everywhere in between. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this, and stay happy, stay healthy, and look after your feet, even though today is look after your top. Okay, everyone. Bye. 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 Bye.